Finally, a cybersecurity related hackathon. A lot of you have been requesting, so it's here. We are talking about the Datathon 2026. Now, what are the benefits and who can apply for this opportunity? If you are a student, working professional, startup founder, and independent innovator, all can participate in this opportunity completely free of cost. And why you should participate? Because we'll be solving real world problems, working with cybersecurity tools, and building some cool AI agents over here. Here you'll be getting opportunities for networking, recognition, swags, goodies, all these things will be given to you. So make sure to apply for this opportunity. Here they have given two problem statements, like you have to build an intelligent conversational AI for KSP crime database. All the challenges details are here. If you need a separate video regarding it, you can comment down below. There are two tracks. First one is this, and second one is AI driven crime analytics and visualization platform. So this is the problem statement. This is the challenge. This is the key features you have to add. All things they have given. Coming to the reward, there is prize pool of 10 lakhs. You can see first runner-up will be getting 1.5 lakh. Winner will be getting 2.5 lakhs. And runner-up, second runner-up will be getting 1 lakh. So registration already started and it will be on 19th of July. So hurry up and register for this opportunity. Now let me tell you some important things over here. That problem statement is already announced. They have explained the problem statement also. Now here are key dates which are coming. That is from 19th of August, the shortlistment will be done. Then after that, they'll give you time to refine the prototype project. And then there'll be induction meeting on 20th of August. After that, there'll be some mentor and mentee connect. Means there'll be mentorship sessions. And after that, final shortlisted candidates will be announced and grand finale will happen. So all these things up to here is happening online only. The grand finale is happening in person on demo day. They will give you the venue. Mostly it will be in Karnataka. Here you need to form a team. Minimum 2 people. Maximum they have mentioned. Let me just show you. So maximum it is team of 5. You can have at least 2. How to register? Click on this register now button. Fill your basic details over here, including date of birth, mobile number, country, city, whatever your occupation is there, mention all the things, and then simply click on I agree and simply register over here. So this is a sample process to register. You can see the dashboard is there. From here you can form a team, do the submissions also. You can see around 28 days are remaining for the submission. How to get the access to the sessions. You can see the sessions are here. All the things they have clearly mentioned over here. Resources are there. If you need any help for getting the credits, etc. All the things they have provided. If you need any other assistance, you can just let me in the comment section. Also, you can just reach out to this particular email for any other help and mobile number too. So thank you guys. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to participate in the arcade program, where you'll be getting some cool Google swags, you can just check out the channel. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel for more.